So, have you ever tried making akara with lentil? That's what we're gonna learn this morning. As we know, in every Nigeria home, akara on Saturday morning is the drill. And here are ingredients for today. Do you know Saturday is called Abameta? Okay, let's get started. We're gonna rinse our lentil until the water is clear. Now, moving on, we are going to blend our lentil. Okay, now make sure that it is soft enough. Then let's slice in our onions, and then let's add our Scotch bonnet rolled dough. Okay, and then let's get blending. Okay, so remember, you don't want to make the blend to be too, you don't want the consistent to be too smooth. Okay, however, you do not want it to be too rough as well, because it's not the normal beans. Now we're gonna give it a good stir. Okay, add some salt, and then add our bouillon cube, and again give it a good stir. Now let's test the oil if it is hot enough for our deep frying. So once you put the paste in and it floats, then the hot oil is ready. So then you can use either a scoop spoon a scoop spoon if you've got one, and if you haven't, you can use your normal tablespoon. It will do the job. So now our akara is getting ready. Can you see that golden brown color? I love this color, honestly. So now that our akara is ready, what are you going to be having yours with? Comment down below. I'm going to be having mine with nice, lovely looking, yummy oats with flaxseed. Okay, let me go and have my akara, and I hope you try this too, and I hope you enjoy it. Have a lovely abameta. Have a lovely weekend, guys. Let me go. My mouth is watering, guys. I need to go have my akara. Okay then, enough of rambling around. Catch you later. Bye. As you know, we have to say our double together, isn't it? All right, on the count of Enio, Ejo, Eta. Oh yeah, what do we say? Oh, double. Thank you so much, Eshung.